Where's the energy? Are you guys having fun? Wow, that's amazing, guys. Thank you for singing with us. And I think Quit is one of the crowd favorite. Is it really? I want to hear you guys singing it. Can I hear you guys singing the chorus part? 5, 6, 7, go! Hey! What? Okay.
Sing!
Okay, guys. Thank you for trying. Thank you for trying. I appreciate the effort.
Unfortunately, lost.
Yeah.
But you know, that song is actually a reminder for all of you guys to never quit on your dreams. Never quit on your goals in life. Just like Stell, right?
What?
Recently, your goal is to be healthy and to have a very good body.
Hindi mo alam kung ano tunay na goal mo.
Yeah, but he never quit. Earlier, he was outside the hotel. He went running. See that he's really hardworking on his dream. He went running outside. But you know what? I was about Toronto.
Approve.
Yes, but I wasn't able to wake up too early.
You know what?
What?
I want to tell something.
What?
You know, your mom is here. She's watching. Yeah. Tita Gemma is here in Toronto, so we call her Toronto Ina.
Yeah, because she's really nervous. Always nervous.
What do we call Tita Gemma? Perfect.
But speaking of my mom,
Yeah.
of course, we always love our parents, especially as Filipinos. We really appreciate the hard work of our loving parents or our parents' figures. So, for our next song, we would like to dedicate this song to all those parents who went out there to work hard and to make sure the future of their children. So. This next song is for you guys, Mapa. Kumusta na di na tayo laging nakikita? Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami yung nauna. Ngayon naman ikaw na muna, akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiwan ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, yung tikit ng iyong matataw. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na.
ako na. Toronto, we give you our Canada leg dancers. Please welcome Cass, Z, Fritz, Josh, Paul, and Marius. Please welcome Kapwa!
Kapwa!